Say hello to the perfect university along with the comfort of home at Station at 5 Points in Columbia. For the best of both worlds, pick from lively 1 to 4 bedroom apartments to get a cozy bed, spacious walk-in closets, the perfect workspace, in-unit laundry facilities, a TV to binge-watch shows and more. Sweat it out in the on-site gym, or crush your study sessions in dedicated workspaces. Recharge with a game of billiards, play a round of table tennis, or dive into the resort-style pool. Catch a movie in the clubhouse or stargaze in the lush courtyard for an unforgettable experience. Additionally, pets are welcome here, and parking is available on-site too. Allen University and the University of South Carolina are just a quick drive away for an easy commute. With buses from Pickens Hampton North and the Columbia SC station nearby, transit is seamless. So don't settle for less when Station at 5 Points is everything you need. Book your room via amberstudent.com now.